Thanks for clicking on our audio reel. We can provide you with voiceovers for your social media videos, podcast intros and outros, and online radio station jingles. If you're looking for specific voiceover projects, we have many professional narrators ready to voice your content. Here are some samples of previous projects we have completed. Podcast intros and outros.
Welcome to the Ignite Talks podcast with your host, Gene Evans, the networking architect.
The Global Tea Break podcast with your hosts, Alan Hennessy and D. Scott Smith.
Remember, a cup of tea can change the world.
Social media voiceovers.
Tired of rewriting your bio and chasing headshots? Demonstrate your expertise with a digital media pack, a fast, professional way to showcase your credibility that is effective and easy to share. Learn more on our website.
Want to stand out in a noisy social media feed? Add audio content to your posts. Audio Clips gives you that ability. It grabs attention, builds trust, and brings your brand's personality to life. Showcase your expertise with the power of audio content in your social media posts.
Online radio station jingles.
Station IDs.
Your number one internet radio station. The hits just keep on coming.
Your music station.
Personalized jingles.
The All-American Music Show with John Clark.
All your favorite stateside hits. Fun station stings.
Nobody else would give him a gig on the radio. Yeah? We know. We felt sorry for him. Here he is.
For more information, please get in contact with Alan today. Email your inquiries to alan@compassmedia.ie. We look forward to hearing from you.
Kompass Media, your audio partner.